In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image banner on Shopify. Whether you're setting up a new store or just looking to refresh your layout, incorporating an image banner is a striking way to grab your visitors' attention immediately. An image banner can introduce your brand, showcase a product, or convey a particular message with style and impact. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, head over to your site editor in Shopify. It's the workspace that allows you to make creative changes to your store's appearance. Once you're there, pay attention to the area where you want your image banner to appear. Whether it's at the top of your homepage for maximum visibility or somewhere else to highlight specific features, this is where your new banner will make its debut. Next, you'll want to look for the Add Section button. This option is typically around the area you're working on, making it straightforward to enhance your page's layout. Click on it, and a new menu will pop up with various options to customize your site. The goal is to find the perfect space for your image banner. In this menu, you'll need to search for the image banner section. You can either scroll through the list of sections or use the search feature, whatever works best for you. Once you spot the image banner option, go ahead and select it. By doing this, you're essentially telling Shopify to prepare this section for you to enrich with your chosen imagery. Upon clicking, you'll notice that the image banner will be immediately added to your site layout. It's as simple as that. But, of course, simply placing it there isn't quite enough. Now comes the creative part. Click on the newly added banner to edit its properties and configuration. This is where you have the opportunity to tailor the banner to your liking. Consider what image resonates the most with your brand or the message you want to convey. You can also tweak settings like the banner size, alignment, and perhaps add overlay text or buttons for greater engagement. Spend some time adjusting these features until everything looks just right. A well-designed banner doesn't only complement your store visually, but also enhances user interaction. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and some creativity, you've managed to add a beautiful image banner that will undoubtedly make your Shopify store more inviting. As small as this task seems, it can significantly impact the way your customers perceive your brand. So feel free to experiment with different images and designs to see what works best. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!